So Flip app, how to make money in this app. I will just show you what is in this app, what is Flip community, and how potentially you can earn some revenue. However, this is just my subjective thoughts. I don't guarantee that this app is like 100% legit and it's super safe. But so far, what we can see, it started to climb in the charts really high in the US App Store. It's getting a lot of ratings, over 40,000 ratings. So it seems it's not completely scam, and maybe you can definitely earn some additional cash. So let's just jump into it. So here's the app. It kind of looks like TikTok, but
At
for
6 months
shopping. So the idea of the app is that this is like a video app where different users are reviewing products. And then as a creator, you can also create these video reviews of products, and then you can make money in different ways. So like as a buyer, you can just go to this app and just buy some different kind of brands. So for example, you want to buy these pillow slides, you can just add them to carts, of course, similar as in, Amazon or whatever. So the first idea, like what you need to do, you need to get some items and you need to buy something on this app. So if you want to start creating, share your honest reviews with fellow shoppers. But to get started, you need to buy a product. So you need to buy a product on this app because that's like how the community works. It's kind of like a marketplace. And then share a video review, tell us what you think, and then earn money. So you can't do video reviews of just any product. Like if you bought something on Amazon and you posting it here, nope, it doesn't work because there are just specific list of brands which are working in this app. So it's not like TikTok or YouTube where you just post like reviews of anything. Of course, you can just post videos of anything, but to get this affiliate link working in this app, you need to work with specific products. And then like you can just already get started with your wallet. So even if you didn't buy anything, you already getting some engagement rewards. So rewards you earn from watching reviews on Flip. So I already earned like almost $6, which are then being refunded when I try to buy some products. So basically, if I just watching videos, giving likes, clicking links, I can get up to $20, I guess, and that can be a big discount when I'm already want to buy something. And that's how you start kind of the machine in this app. You still need to buy something from this app. By the way, it delivers only to US and Canada. You buy some slippers, whatever, some cheap product, you do a review. And then after you did a first review and you bought these things, you can get some free items delivered to you. You buy them, you do a review of those, and that's how it starts. But let's just go into more details. So there is some support where they just write it how it works. So creators, earnings breakdown, how it works. All users on Flip earn from their content. When you share it with the community, you become a creator and have access to earnings dashboard. So as you can see, I'm not yet a creator because you need to buy. I live in Europe, so can't deliver it, but here you can view all the content, analyze engagement metrics, and cash out to your bank account or in Flip Cash to use to your next board. So you need to have this earnings dashboard, and then you can see post stats and see a breakdown of earnings per individual piece of content, which you earned in this app. So there are two ways how you can earn and make money on Flip app. You earn money for views of your video, similar as you have on YouTube. So there is here some kind of monetization. You will earn approximately $15 to $25 per 1,000 unique views for the first 30 days. That's quite high RPM, or how it's called, like CPM in YouTube, per 1,000 unique views. That's quite high, I would say really high. And then, of course, it depends on the niche, but usually, YouTube on average pays less. but that's only for first 30 days. And that's how you can locate your first engagement metric in your post stats. And then you will also earn additional 15% of the product purchase price for the first 12 months. So if an order is placed from your content, then you will receive earnings from the sale when the order is completed. And then creators can locate potential sales earnings based on add to the cart count. So yeah, that's the two ways of earning money. And then you can do a payout. So you once you have an available balance, you're able to release the balance to Flip Cash to use directly to future orders. So select bank transfer and deposit directly to your account. So then you can just select cash out and yeah. And then choose your payment deposit location, either Flip Cash or bank transfer. And then you need to have your personal details for cashing out. So yeah, that's how it works. And if there is any issues, you can reach out to troubleshooting. Then there are invites. How you can also invite. Each friend has a coupon value next to their name. So yeah, each friend gets a unique invite count. So then you can just invite friends as well and earn some additional revenue. So yeah, you can find friends. So you need to give access to your contacts. You don't have any eligible contacts. The list of days daily as more friends join Flip. So unfortunately, it's not yet that easy. This app is not yet quite popular everywhere. And then you can just share your profile, add me on Flip. And then if you just add me like that, you can earn some additional revenue. So this is my link, which you can use. So if you just invite, you can get there, and then there is payment, but that's how you buy stuff here. But yeah, like the idea is that you need to just, again, like buy a product, and then you start making videos, and then you will get revenue based on video views and based on how many people bought the product you're advertising. And yeah, let's see how it goes. And then yeah, it's possible to cash out to your bank account. I guess it only works with US or Canada bank accounts. This app is not yet in Europe, UK, or Australia. It's not there. Hope it will be there soon. But yeah, that's what it is. Then there you can see your rewards. You can see your earnings tab. You can see your available balance, sales earnings. And then you can tap to cash out, how to do Flip Cash or bank transfer, as I just explained. Then you can see available balance. I don't know if people actually earned a lot of revenue here. Is it actually possible? What is the cash out threshold and all of the things? So yeah, it still needs to be checked, because a lot of these apps, in the beginnings are using these growth hacks to get more users and more traction. And sometimes it can be really, really hard to actually get cash into your bank account, because this cash is transformed to some kind of bonus points, like some kind of other stuff, and you can never get your cash out from the app. But sometimes it works. So maybe here it's really legit. So yeah, if you were successful in cashing out, just leave some comments. Would be interesting to know. So yeah, that's some of the ideas here, and thanks for watching.